Bonjour tout le monde! I am Pearl, your online French teacher, and today I am really happy because I have a huge announcement to make. My new French course, Pearl's Classroom, is now available. Oui! I have a new French course. J'ai un nouveau cours de français. So I have been working on this new course for months, and I have been talking about this course for several weeks now on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, I am sure that you have seen my stories and my posts about this new course, and you know I was working on it. And today I am so happy to tell you that enrollments are open. But before you enroll, I wanted to make this video to give you more details about this course. So if you want to know what you will get by joining this course, continue watching this video. Welcome to Pearl's Classroom, my new French program. So in this program, you will improve your French grammar and your French vocabulary. I have decided to call this course Pearl's Classroom because this is not your typical French course. In this course, you will be in my virtual classroom. Yes, we are going to meet live for a French class. Yes, live. So you will have the opportunity to interact directly with me, to ask me questions. I will be able to give you feedback directly on what you are doing. I am so excited because I had the opportunity to teach online several times and all of my students absolutely loved it. So I have decided to make it a thing. We are going to meet every month for a live lesson. Teaching is my passion. Teaching is what I do. So for me, it was a no-brainer that I had to include this live aspect to this program because I know that sometimes French program can be quite static and hard to follow. So I really wanted to make this course very, very interactive. I have created 4 classrooms to help you improve your French. Each classroom has a specific level in French. You have classroom level A1, classroom level A2, classroom level B1, and classroom level B2. So depending on your French level, you will pick the right classroom for you. Remember, in these classrooms, we are going to improve our French grammar and vocabulary. So if you are interested in taking your French grammar and vocabulary to the next level, these classes are the perfect fit for you. So on top of having our live French classes, you will also have access to premium resources, including premium videos, audios, and worksheets to help you upgrade your French. So this course will help you improve your French grammar and vocabulary. But on top of that, thanks to this course, you will become more consistent. Yes, you will improve your consistency because we are going to meet every single month. Also, with my different classrooms, you will be on top of things. So within the different classrooms, I am going to tell you what to learn week after week. Yes. So I will tell you what to learn week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So you won't have to guess what to do. And also I am going to give you just the right amount of lessons because I don't want you to feel overwhelmed because a lot of students feel overwhelmed when they learn French and they feel like they are drowning in an ocean of information. No. With my classrooms, you will be on top of your game. You will be consistent, on top of your game, and you will improve your grammar and vocabulary. Trust me, this is the road to fluency, and we are going to do this together. So if you want to become fluent in French and you would like to have me as your French teacher, please join my classrooms. Also, each classroom has a limited number of spots. I repeat, each classroom has a limited number of spots, so you don't want to miss out. And enrollments are going to end November 12th. November 12th. So if you are watching this video and enrollments are closed, that's okay. That's fine. I will put a link for you to join the waitlist. But if the doors are still open while you are watching this video, please come and join my classroom because you don't want to miss that. So I have put more information down below. So for example, you will be able to find the full curriculum. Yes, because each classroom has a specific curriculum. Also, I have created an FAQ, so it's going to be very useful for you to read it. And if you still have any questions, that's okay. You know where to reach me. So you can send me DMs, you can comment, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. J'ai vraiment hâte de vous voir dans mes salles de classe. À très vite!